In this video, we will show you how to calculate age in Excel with a function that automatically generates a current date. First, let me show you how the today function works. Select a cell, type an equal sign, type today, select today, and press enter. The current date will be generated and will update every time you open your saved worksheet. So now, let's go ahead and calculate Maria's age using this function as well. Let's select cell C4, type an equal sign, and type date diff. We're going to go ahead and type an open parenthesis. We're going to select the date of birth, cell B4, type a comma, type today, select today, type a close parenthesis, type a comma, type quotation marks, and since we want the years, let's type the letter Y and type quotation marks and type a close parenthesis and press enter. Let's copy the formula using an absolute reference, that is, using a dollar sign. In the formula bar, let's add a dollar sign before column B, since we will use column B to calculate all of the ages. However, the row number will change, so we will leave it as is. Let's double click the bottom right corner to copy the formula. If you like this video, like and subscribe for upcoming videos for quick and easy demonstrations, and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as a new video is posted.